Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this repair safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. To replace the washer motor in your Frigidaire laundry center, you will need a 10mm socket and a 1/2-inch socket. Before you begin the procedure, unplug the power cord and shut off the incoming water supply. Have an assistant help you to move the appliance away from the wall or out of the closet. Detach the venting from the dryer. Remove the hot and cold water supply lines from the inlet valve. Be prepared for some water to spill. Remove the end of the drain hose from the standpipe or laundry tub. Secure the washer lid with tape. Now carefully tip the appliance back so it rests on its rear panel. Use the 10mm socket to unthread the 4 mounting screws to release the belt cover. Rotate the belt to detach it from the pulleys. Disconnect the washer motor power wire connector and the grounding wire connector. Use the 1/2-inch socket to unthread the motor mounting screws, and you can remove the old component. You're now ready to install the new washer motor. Keeping the wires on the right, position the motor on the tub. Then thread the mounting screws to secure. Connect the power wire connector and the grounding wire connector. With the groove side facing inward, align the belt on the motor pulley, then loop it onto the transmission drive pulley. Rotate the belt to fully align. Reposition the belt cover and rethread the mounting screws. The larger screws secure the cover to the transmission plate. With the cover secured, return the laundry center to its upright position. Reinsert the drain hose into the standpipe or hook it onto the edge of the tub. Reattach the hot and cold water supply lines to the inlet valve ports. Reattach the venting and move the appliance back against the wall or into the closet. Turn the water supply back on. Plug the power cord back in. And your laundry center should be ready for use.